How to create stunning videos effortlessly using InVideo AI. This powerful AI tool can help you create high-quality videos in minutes, without any editing skills. To get started, download InVideo AI from your App Store or Google Play Store, and sign up for InVideo AI account using your Apple account or Gmail account. Create a video using InVideo AI's text-to-video feature. Simply provide a topic, and the AI will generate a script, media, and voiceover. You can customize the video by editing the script, adding your own media, and refining the voiceover. Then wait for a minute while the AI is analyzing your data input. Once done, you can choose how long is the duration of video, who are your target audience, and what platform will you use for the video. Then continue. It will take a few minutes to generate the video. While waiting, you can give a command to edit the video, like put subtitle on the video, and make the voiceover inspirational. Then boom, the video is done.
Dreaming of making amazing videos but not sure where to start? You can do it! InVideo AI is here to help you shine. Let's create your very first video together. It's super easy. Just log into InVideo AI, no experience needed. Type your idea just like you're chatting with a friend. Click generate and watch your video come to life. Clips, music and all. Want to change something? It's easy. Swap images, text or music with a click. Finished? Hit download and celebrate. Your video is ready to share. See? Anyone can do it. Start now and let your creativity shine.
Now you can save the video with 1080p video resolution. Title and description of the video are also provided by AI for you. You just need to copy and paste. Finally, you can now download the video. That's it. With InVideo AI, you can create high-quality videos in minutes. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, this tool can help you produce engaging videos that resonate with your audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the ring button for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.